5 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a technical analysis on Cardano here. Currently just below 42 cents, sitting at 41.9 or 41.9, up almost 4% for the day. If we're looking at Bitcoin value, we're down almost 4%, sitting at 3,797. Really quick though, guys, let's run through the market. Our market cap has finally crossed 500 billion, currently sitting at 513 billion. Today's volume is sitting at 22.3 billion, while our Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 36.5. Bitcoin broke 10,000 no problem, but I'm saying our real resistance here, guys, is going to be at 11,500 to the 12,000 zone. We're currently up 8%, but I believe once we break through 11,500 and 12,000, no problem getting to 20,000 and beyond. Ethereum up 3%, Ripple up almost 6%, sitting at $1.20. Litecoin slightly down. Bitcoin Cash is up 1. Coin of the day is up 4. Neo up 4. Lumens is up 5. EOS is up 1.5%. IOTA is up 4. Dash, NEM is up. Monero is up 10. Lisk is up 3. Tron is up 5.5 or 5.6. Sorry. VeChain is up 5. We're not gonna run through too much, guys. Really quick, let's run through Cardano's Twitter here. Something I wanted to show you guys, this was announced yesterday. We were pleased to announce that Emergo have partnered with Siren Labs to integrate ADA with the Finley blockchain smartphone. So what that means is, I guess this is like the first blockchain smartphone. Maybe not the first. I'm not 100% sure on that. But they actually, so the ICO raised 157.8 million in order to get this phone started. So basically, what it's gonna do is, so check this out. Actually, this is what I found pretty interesting. The developer of the Solarian Ultra Secure, so the developer of the phone actually got Lionel Messi from Barcelona to be their brand ambassador. For those of you that follow soccer, football, however you may call it in your country, Messi is, if not the greatest player in soccer right now. There's a couple. Some would say Lionel Messi, Ronaldo. There's a couple of players, but if he isn't one of the greatest players in the world right now, he's definitely in the top 2, top 3. For those of you that follow soccer or football. So basically what's going to be happening though is the 88 token is actually going to be pre-installed on the Finne as a choice of payment within the D-App store to offer a truly decentralized experience on the blockchain. So that's pretty cool. You guys can go ahead and scroll through this. They actually said they, I think it was earlier this year, or no, I'm sorry, back in 2017, they created a smartphone that was worth $14,000. That's ridiculous. And then Siren Labs also released all-in-one PC for the blockchain generation and the crypto crowd. So definitely look into Siren Labs if you guys are trying to get the smartphone here, the Cardano smartphone, I guess you could call it, or their crypto PC. But you guys can find this article here on Cardano's Twitter. I definitely recommend you guys follow Cardano. It's February 16th, about 3 tweets down. But we're not going to take too much time on that. You guys came here for some Cardano price actions. Kind of just wanted to show you guys that. Currently sitting at just below 42 cents. Our market cap is 10.8 billion. Today's volume is 341 million. Circulating supply is 25 billion. Total supply 31 billion. Max supply 45 billion. Major exchanges here, guys. Dang, I remember when this used to be just on Bittrex. So for those of you that don't know, I've actually been following Cardano since it was like at 2 cents, when it was just on Bittrex and Mr. Exchange. But that's changed. Now we got Upbit, Binance, and Bittrex are the major exchanges. We got some smaller exchanges here, Gate and CoinNest. So let's go ahead and look at some price action here, guys. That's what you guys came for. All-time high here. And so we're looking at Cardano, ADA, BTC on the daily. This platform we're using is TradingView. The broker we're using is Bittrex. We have our all-time high here, guys, at about 9,200 Satoshis. Since that all-time high, we've kind of been in a bearish market. No signs of slowing down yet. As you can tell, though, we do have a nice little wedge here. Touched it once, touched it twice, 3 times, 4 times, so it's definitely respecting the downtrend. If we look at it from the downside, we bounced once, we pierced through it, actually, but we didn't close below the line. Came back up, we bounced twice, did the same thing here, 3 times, 4 times. Looking for that 5th bounce here. That 5th bounce, I believe, will be somewhere around this zone, sitting at 3,000 to about 3,200 Satoshis. If we go ahead and zoom in a little bit, guys, let me go ahead and show you what I'm kind of expecting to play out here. Oh, actually, look, our daily candle just closed. So, as you could tell, though, we had here, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit, actually. We had a wick here, and then we had another wick, and then we had another wick. So I believe the bears are starting to run out of momentum. We're actually going to start to find support. Remember, something to keep in mind, guys, is support is all, these lines and all these zones I'm drawing, these are all subjective. So what I'm seeing, obviously, another trader may or may not see, but I drew my support here. However, that doesn't mean it's going to come exactly down to this level. It could actually come down somewhere within this zone. I wouldn't be surprised if we stayed in this zone as well. And the reason I drew this zone is because this is the last time when we were stuck in this little, we formed a higher high, higher low, and then we actually broke out of this, came back down to test it for support. So that's the reason I drew this as support. So this has been tested as support before. So it's only, price tends to bounce or react the same way it did in the past. It's just a different time. So I'm definitely expecting, but the reason I didn't draw my support on this one, let me go ahead and delete it, was because I saw the higher high form here. But you could definitely move this zone. It's all subjective, like I'm saying. You can move this here, you can move it right here. I'll leave it right there. It doesn't really matter to me. It's all the same. But what I'm expecting here for Cardano, guys, is let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour. No signs of reversals, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take out my paintbrush. What I'm actually expecting is for us to come down to this zone, kind of consolidate for a bit, and then possibly form either a double bottom 1 here, bottom 2 here, and then continue towards the upside, or this is just going to be a straight shot towards the upside. Let's go ahead and look at the daily. We could even drop down all the way to about 2,700, guys. I don't think that's going to happen. Don't get me wrong. It completely could, though. But this, to me, was more of a drastic fall. I believe this is going to definitely be our support. Last time we were at this price, we had a nice push towards the upside from about 3,000 all the way up to about, I think it's 9,000. So I'm definitely expecting the same here. Where do I see Cardano going in 2018, guys? I see Cardano easily being up at 12,000 Satoshis. But I don't expect this to happen until the roadmap gets a little bit more completed. If you do take a look at their website and run through the roadmap, a lot of it is partially completed. You have 50% here, 50% here, 50% here, 75 here, 25 here. So they're kind of a little bit all over the place, but they are making progress, which is nice to see. But I would definitely see Cardano up at 12,000 towards the end of 2018, possibly the beginning of 2019. But this is just my personal opinion, guys, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you guys are turning on post notifications. New video every single day. There will be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're about 78 subscribers away. So as soon as we get 1,000 subscribers, we'll be I'll probably be posting a survey on what kind of coin you guys want to be getting in this giveaway. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy and peace.